Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Fitbit Luxe not charging, contacts, cable and power reset fix. Fix 1. Clean the charging contacts. You just have to unplug the charger from the wall. Use a slightly damp cloth to wipe the golden pins on the back of the Fitbit Luxe. Clean the pins on a charging cable as well. Ensure the pins on the cable spring back up when gently pressed with a finger. Fix 2. Check your power source and alignment. Ensure the magnetic charger to back off the device, ensuring pin alignment. A battery icon should be appear on a screen to indicate charging. If not charging, try a different power source such as certified wall adapter or a computer USB port. Avoid using high voltage fast charger. If the battery is completely drained, 0%, charge for at least 30 to 60 minutes before attempting to turn on the device. Fix 3. Force restart the Fitbit Luxe. Connect the Fitbit Luxe to a charging cable. Plug the charging cable into a live power source. Find the small round button on the USB, the end plugged into a power source. Press the button 3 times, passing for 1 full seconds between each press. Wait for 10 seconds. Look for a Fitbit logo to flash on a tracker screen, signaling a successful restart. Thanks for watching.